You might be asking yourself a question. Why is this guy standing in a kitchen with almost 2 liters of cold pressed ginger juice? Well, I could ask you a question. How long does it take you to make this much juice? If it takes you longer than 10 minutes and you're running a juice business, you're doing it wrong. Let me show you the right way to do it. Okay, now that it's all ground up, we can go ahead and press it. What this will do is exert thousands of pounds of force, to extract all your cold pressed ginger juice. All right, there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, we just made 60 ounces of ginger juice. That's spicy.